In this video tutorial, we will show you how to do an Excel mail merge. In order to do the mail merge operation, open the Microsoft Word document. Go to the Mailings tab. Click on Start Mail Merge and choose the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard. In the first step, choose Letters as a document type and press Next Starting Document. At this step, select Use the current document and click Next Select Recipients. To make selections at the third step, minimize the Word document and open your Excel document. Go back to the Word document and choose Browse. Select your Excel document and press Open. In the appeared window, select the table with data. In the following window, check or uncheck Mail Merge Recipients and click OK. Then, press Next Write Your Letter. At step number 4, go to the Mailings tab, click on Insert Merge field and choose the needed values. Insert it in your document. The next step is Preview your letters. Click on it. Now you can see your letters with merges. Click on Recipients to see the results. Then, click Complete the merge. In the following window, press Edit Individual Letters. In the new window, select All and click OK. Now all your letters are placed on separate pages.